Our intelligence is what makes us human, and AI is an extension of that quality. Greetings, dear students. Today I will take you to the journey to the amazing world of artificial intelligence. This journey to AI will be both interesting and funny. Dear students, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science by which we can create intelligent machines which can behave like a human, think like a human, and able to make decisions. So, in today's session, we will discuss about introduction of artificial intelligence and what is artificial intelligence, need of artificial intelligence, aims of artificial intelligence, advantages, disadvantages, applications, artificial intelligence in everyday life, and some real life examples of AI. And after that we will discuss about the career in artificial intelligence and we'll do some activity. So dear student, let us discuss about introduction of AI means artificial intelligence. Artificial means man-made or non-natural, and intelligence means ability to understand, think, and learn. AI is not a system, it is a study of how to do. We can also define it is a study of how to make computers do the things which at present humans can do better. AI is a discipline of computer science that focuses on developing intelligent machines that can learn and then teach themselves. These machines then can process vast amount of data that humans can, and several times faster. AI can go across all disciplines to change the world for better. From creating new healthcare solutions to designing hospitals of the future, improving farming and food supply, helping refugees assimilate to new environments, improving educational resources and access, and even cleaning our oceans, air, and water supply. The potential for humans to improve the world through AI is endless as long as we know how to use it. Computer scientist John McCarthy, also known as the father of AI. Why artificial intelligence? Why not artificial intelligence? So, what is intelligence? Intelligence means the capacity to learn and solve problems. And what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. The ability to solve problems, the ability to act as rationally, the ability to act like humans. Or we can also define it as it is a branch of computer science by which we can create intelligent machines which can behave like a human, think like a human, and able to make decisions. Need of artificial intelligence. It can help us to create programs, software devices that are able to solve real life problems such as health issues and traffic issues, which needs to be solved efficiently and accurately. Next is it can helps in creating our personal assistants like Google Assistant, Apple Series. It also can help us to build robots and devices which can work in an environment which is dangerous for humans. It also open up a path for other new technologies, new devices, and new opportunities. Aims of artificial intelligence. It aims to design devices or applications that can replicate human intelligence. It mainly aims to solve the problems that require knowledge processing. It aims to connect perception and action. Game playing is one of the major functions of AI. It aims to build machines that can perform tasks such as proving a theorem, playing chess, and driving a car in traffic. And now discuss about some advantages of artificial intelligence. AI help in reducing human error. For example, self-driving cars can even help in saving human lives by limiting the cases of accidents. It also help in increasing productivity because it can process large amount of data within a seconds, so it results in increasing productivity. It makes the decision making process faster. AI help in reducing cost, means it reduces manpower. AI perform repeated tasks without getting tired or bored. It helps in carrying odd jobs, means like mopping and cleaning. It also helps in improving security. that is protecting from cybercrimes, detection of frauds, assistance in surveillance of houses and offices, etc. AI is robust. That is, AI devices can set up at places where it is difficult for humans to live. Moreover, AI can also work continuously 24 by 7. So, let us discuss some disadvantages. It is highly expensive. Next is it cannot exhibit human emotions. AI cannot learn with experience and has no decision making capacity. AI is not creative. It also will create unemployment. AI cannot replicate humans, and it has some drawbacks. There is no denying that it is going to play a major role in future of humankind. Further developments in the field of AI will prove make more beneficial and will overcome its drawback. Application areas. Now discuss about some application areas of AI. Computer science, psychology, neuron science, biology, maths, sociology, philosophy, etc. Uh, AI medical clinic can use AI system to organize bed schedules, make a staff rotation, and provide medical information. It also has an application in image guided surgery and image analysis and enhancement. In banking sector, some other applications include loan investigation, ATM design, safe and fast banking, etc. Information management and retrieval. It can also control satellites, network developments, space workstation maintenance, and much more. Application of AI. Here is a list of areas where AI will be beneficial: healthcare, automobile finance, surveillance, social media, entertainment, education, space exploration, gaming, robotics, agriculture, e-commerce. We will discuss more about in our coming sessions. Artificial intelligence in everyday life. There is no doubt that AI has become an integral part of our life. Uh, Here we are taking some common example. Would be your school bus, which has features such as GPS tracker and automobile maximum speed limit setup and has a surveillance system for the safety of students. This is an example of AI. Here are many other AI applications and solutions that are extensively used for many tasks nowadays. Uh, Next, some examples of artificial intelligence. Apple series. Siri is Apple's most famous personal assistant available on the iPhone and iPads. It is a female voice activated assistant that interacts with the user and is able to assist in routine tasks such as finding information, getting directions, sending messages, making calls, opening applications, and adding events to the calendar. Next one is Tesla. Tesla is a self-driven car. Tesla is an example of AI in automobile industry with various features such as self-driving and predictive capabilities among others. More than 50,000 cars used in nowadays used in America. Netflix, another example of AI. Netflix is a popular content on demand service that uses predictive technology to provide recommendations based on the reactions, desires, preferences, and action of consumers. And another example career in AI: machine learning engineer, data scientist, business intelligence developer, research scientist, big data engineer, scientist. We are doing some activity of AI. First of all, open your web browser on your computer, then type the following in your browser address bar: experiments dot with google.com/interplay dash mode slash view. uh, Now select the grammar lesson showing in this picture. Click on the play video button, paste the URL. Now select grammar lesson, click play
Use your
video.
voice to complete the sentences on the right, using one of these three words: bad, badder, badly.
Bad.